Welcome back to Cooking in Calcasieu. This is our second episode. I'm Leslie Petross, the Student Wellness Educator with Calcasieu Parish School Board. Today we're making chimichangas. We're gonna get started with our 7 cups of cooked chicken. Chopped onion, about a cup, so a small onion. Now if your family doesn't like onions, you're really not gonna have the crunch because it's gonna cook down. We're gonna use 1.5 cups of salsa. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of cumin and 1.5 teaspoons of oregano. Great flavors. And we're going to cook it on medium to low heat for about 25 minutes. I'm gonna stir this up. And we're gonna cook it until most of the liquid is evaporated. So I'm gonna show you how to fold the tortilla with the chicken mixture. I'm using the bigger tortillas today, and I'm using whole wheat just to make it a little healthier and a little more fiber. You're gonna sprinkle your cheese on, you're gonna roll it like this, fold the ends. And what helps is if your tortillas are soft and pliable, they'll fold better. You can see this is pretty quick, but when you have it frozen already and you just take it out of the freezer, it doesn't take any time to thaw. It's wonderful. Okay, we're gonna spray it with our cooking spray. And this just helps crisp them up in the oven. And we're gonna bake them with the steam side down. Okay. And 4 fits nicely in here. I'll flip them at 4 minutes. So while the chimichangas are baking, we are gonna make our topping. And we're gonna do a healthier topping today. Instead of cheese sauce or sour cream, we're gonna put a pico de gallo on there, which is a fresh salsa. And I'm gonna take the seeds in the middle out. And I'm using a serrated knife so it doesn't smush the tomato. You can put as much tomato or as little as you need for that occasion. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of onion, chopped finely. We're also gonna use some finely diced jalapeno fresh. You can use as much or as little as you like depending on the heat. We are also gonna add a little salt to this. We're gonna chop up some cilantro. We're gonna add a squeeze of lime. So we'll mix that up. And we want this to marinate for about 15 minutes before you serve it at least. Now we're gonna make some guacamole to go with our pico. So we're gonna cut our avocados open. We're gonna take our seed out, pop it out, scoop our avocado out. We're gonna add a little bit of onion to this. We're gonna add a squeeze of lime. And you're definitely gonna add a little salt. And I'm just gonna use about 1/4 teaspoon. But again, you can customize this any way you like. Okay, our chimichangas are done. They're nice and crispy. Only took us 8 minutes. So we're gonna add some of our pico de gallo, just kind of on the top of it. And I'm gonna add some guacamole on the side to dip in. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next month for another episode.